She's ungratefulness. Just ungrateful.
Look like we in a scary movie.
Come on, Mom.
Gotta watch your step. Oh my goodness. Be careful, sister, back there. I don't want you to slide down. Oh, wait a minute. You're right about me slide down. You better not slide down.
I'm Steffi.
Okay, y'all, so this is one of my old synthetic wigs. I'm detangling it. I did pretty good. I soaked the lace for 2 days. Y'all see that? It was way more than that. I swear I did really good. She still moves. Okay. So this is the other one I made into a bob. Y'all see the little glue? Let me show y'all. Y'all can tell the difference. Like y'all see that you get out with this. Drive the lace. I'm telling y'all, just it'll come out. That glue. All this is glue. This is literally just empty your whole lace. Use this. Use it. Okay, so got the 2 laces. Now, that's this y'all, it's clean. I swear to God, that's clean. Don't worry about that. You focused on the wrong thing. Peep the hair. It's up right now because it's hot. But yeah. So letting this finish drying. Well, both of them. And I'm going to flat iron them. Until then, we're gonna get this kitchen clean. poured bleach in here, so I won't have to use the actual bottle. I don't like using the bottle. It'd be a little bit too strong for me. I'm not gonna lie. But I'm doing all of this is because my pipes busted at like 3 or 6 something in the morning, and we just got it fixed today. So you know how that go, like literally. You gotta deep clean, spray everything down with bleach. Gotta make sure everything's good. Y'all, I'm finna do a dun, da, da, da. I'm finna do a sleepwear haul. Why not? Pajama haul. So yeah, how I got it angled. Y'all see my little teddy bear robe, but y'all go see that in a minute. Like y'all, my tub, my toilet, my sinks, my washer was flooding the whole thing down, y'all. I kid you not, y'all. So we'll let this bleach sit for a minute, and we'll come right back to it. Until then, we're going on to the next. So right now I gotta load my homegirl cats was on my thing. Y'all see little paw prints? Gotta get that up too. So I gotta load in the washer and I gotta load in the dryer. Waiting for both of them to get done. Hello. Trying to do things at once. ADHD kicking in. Nearby. But it's dark outside. It's 7:30. Started sweeping. When y'all have ADHD, like, do y'all do this? Like, y'all start sweeping, then y'all go do something else? Like, y'all don't finish, do you take a break? Y'all have a tendency of doing that. But this video is going to hold me accountable, so I'm not going to do it. Boy. I love cleaning, but I'm so tired. Sometimes you want to call my mama. But it's okay, y'all. We got this. We adults. Teeth. All this fur. Y'all gonna sit there or y'all gonna help? Like, dang. I don't know. I like mine with hot steaming water. Nigga, I'm looking at you because how you react, man. Anyway.
Nobody paying attention to you, motherfucker. I'm singing a song.
Anyway. Yeah, so this is my Tweety Bird. And what's this nigga name? Sylvester. What?
Sylvester.
And Sylvester, little two-piece. It's so
Disrespect
cute.
my nigga like that.
What?
Not know his name.
Anyway, this is
white man.
this is Tweety and Sylvester, the two-piece. It's so cute. Tweety was a boy. Okay, y'all. So I got this little nightgown. I call it a muumuu, but I got this one from Family Dollar for I think it was $3 or $5. It's so cute. It don't show too much knee length. It's so cute. Okay, so I got this one piece from Simply Tan. I got this from Simply Tan. It was $10. And it's so cute. It got little bears on it. Well, you can't beat this. You can't beat it. Okay, so this is my other onesie I got from Simply Tan. Now this one was $5. It had a sale. I don't know why, don't ask me, but look at the cute little bows on it. It's so cute, and everything is just so pink. Like, look. Now, so this is my favorite one because it's SpongeBob and Patrick. Look. Simply Tan, $10. Yeah. It's so cute. This is my favorite one, y'all. Okay, y'all. So this is an old school. This one was given to me, though. It's so cute. I like the freedom of the muumuu. I don't know if y'all muumuu girls or what, but just bear with me when I say. Okay, y'all. So this is my little trippy little mushroom fit. It's so cute. It gives hippie. But y'all like it? I like this one. I love this one actually because look at the colors. Like if y'all love colors and black mainly, go to Walmart. Like go to Walmart. Okay. So I brought this from the African shop for $20. I ain't gonna lie, it was worth it. It come with a band and everything. It's so cute. I had the socks, but I lost it. Okay, so I got this one from Burlington. This was for $3. They have all moves on sale. And it's tieable. I like it. It can actually be a fit, but I'm not gonna wear this as a fit. It's only night clothes, y'all. In-house type shit. But it's cute and it's long as fuck.
What is y'all his scarf?
You going to hell, I would love for you to know that. Okay, so I got these from Five Below. I think it was like $7. And I just got them because obviously Halloween was last month. But, y'all look. I love black. So okay, y'all, so I will have when I got these. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. But ain't nothing wrong with a little pajama, you know what I'm saying? Noodle pants. They cute. Get like a size up, y'all. I'm telling y'all. Because when you start washing this shit. Okay, y'all. So, I have Mickey Mouse and the crew. You see Donald and Mickey. Oh, and you see, what's his name right here again? Goofy. Donald, Mickey, and Goofy. I don't know if y'all can see Pluto and all the good people. But yeah, I got this from Family Dollar for $10. Okay, so I got this from Five Below. Now, these was actually $5. And you see, it's little cows and stuff eating chocolate, and it's chocolate milk. I like it because it's kind of girly. It's cute. I'll tell you. So now we up at Scooby. Now this is my favorite motherfucking band. Y'all, Scooby, you cannot outbeat it. Family Dollar, $5. 5. Like, and they pink and blue. Okay, so me and my sister got this from Walmart. It was $12.99 for the shirt and $14 for the pants. It's cute, Christmas theme. We got matching ones for Polar Express. And it's so comfortable, y'all. This one came from my homegirl. What the fuck is that?
Copy, teach, repeat.
Copy, teach. What? Copy, teaching.
Coffee.
Coffee, teach, and repeat. God damn it. But yeah, this one is my big shirts now. Thank you, Ari. Okay, so y'all, this is my Aaliyah big shirt. I love this one. And of course, it's pink. Okay, so this will be my last one. This will be part 1. We'll do part 2 in another video. But this is the little robe I got. Do y'all like? It's a 3-piece set. So it's a robe, a crop top, and pants. But my crop top and pants is in the shower. I'm saying in the washer. But I love the robe, y'all. I love the robe. Look at it. The little bears, y'all. It's so pretty. And just let you know, I love pink. Thank y'all for watching my video, y'all.
Put down for your body, what give you special love with double. I wanna wait to go like to come my place tonight. Expect me to turn up on me go to good. You go feel I'm living for your bone. You not go fit to let me go for life.